Hello everyone, today in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can easily download any paid games in Epic Games Launcher for free. So in order to begin, what you have to do is download the Epic Games Launcher, which is already done in my case. You can easily download it from the website by going into your browser and typing in Epic Games Launcher download. So once that's done, you can just open this application. In order to download any game for free, you can see there are times uh, when the Epic Games gives discount or sell some games for free. So if you can see, if you scroll down, you can see it says free now. So there are limited time offers on Epic Game Store where some games are free. So if you just focus on this, get to the Epic Game Store every day and see, you can see that this game is free now at June 19 at 8:30. So many games will be available like that for free. So what you have to do is just keep close attention, and when the games are free, you can just download it. Okay, that's how we can do that. If you get the apps or games for free, you don't have to worry about uh, later when the discount ends. Once you have it in your library, add to your library, you don't have to worry. You don't have to pay for that game anymore. Okay, guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.